Here's our Khan Academy assignment. Area of triangles. Remember, our formula is 1/2 base times height, or we can just take the base times the height and divide by 2. The other tricky thing on this is making sure that you know which information you're using and not using the wrong information. So in this particular triangle, we have a height of 10 because it's going straight down to the opposite side. Now it's weird because it's an obtuse triangle and it's outside of the triangle, but that is the height, 10. And then we have the base is 8. So we're not going to use that 16 at all. So we're going to use the 10 times the 8, because the 10 is the height and the 8 is the base. I guess I'm multiplying them together out of order, but that doesn't even matter. So I'm multiplying the base and the height together. Doesn't matter what order you multiply them in. And then we're going to divide that answer by 2, because that's the 1/2 part of our formula. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. So we're not using that 16 at all, because the 16 is not the height or the base. So let me type in 40, see if I got it. Let's try the next one. Again, we're finding the area of the triangle. We're not going to need anything but the base, which is 12, and the height, which is 16. We're not going to use the 20. Okay, so all we do is the base times the height. So like the 12 times the 16. We're not going to use the 20, and then half of that is, so 12 times 16 would be, oh, can I do that math? 8 times 24. My brain doesn't want to do that today. 12 times 16 is 192. And then half of that, so divide that by 2, is 96. So the answer to this will be 96. And the reason we always have to half it with triangles is that the area 16 times 12 would actually be a rectangle. Like imagine taking the other side of our triangle and putting another triangle so that we have a rectangle. That would be 192, the area of the entire rectangle. But because it's just the triangle, we divide it by 2. Here's another one with a base of 18 and a height of 15. We don't even have any extra numbers to ignore in this one. So all we have to do is 15 times 18 divided by 2. So in this case, this answer would be 135. So all I did on that one was my base was 18. It's not going right on it. Base is 18. The height was 15. And then I divided it by 2 and got the 135. All right. Oh, this one's super weird because it's kind of upside down. But if you've got a height of 15 and that is perpendicular to the base of 6, those are the two numbers you're going to use. They haven't given you any other numbers though, so that makes it nice. So we're just going to go 6 times 15 divided by 2. So 3 times 15, that's 45, right? Okay, this one, the base could be the 4 and the height the 2. So we just go 4 times 2 divided by 2. It's like, what's the point of multiplying by 2? You're just going to divide it again. So really, the answer is just 4. Ooh, here's one of those that has the extra number to confuse us. So which number are we not going to use in this problem? Well, we are going to use the 12. The 12 is the base. We are going to use the 12 because that's the base. We are going to use the 4 because that's the height, because 4 is perpendicular to 12. We're not going to use the 9. So 12 and 4, and then multiply those together and divide by 2. So that looks like a minus. It's supposed to be a times. 12 times 4 is 48. Oh, but divide by 2 is 24. Last one, I think. We've done a problem like this already. We just multiply the two numbers, divide by 2. Okay, So if you have not yet done the area of triangles assignment, please try to get that done. If you need help on a problem, making sure that you have the right answer before you hit submit so that you can make sure you get it right before you submit it, please raise your hand and I will come and help you.